Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study BSc Nursing in your third year. Begin by creating a structured study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Prioritize understanding complex topics like advanced medical surgical nursing and pharmacology. Regular revision and practice with previous examination papers are crucial for success. Remember to balance your academic studies with practical clinical experiences. To maximize your learning, employ active study techniques. Don't just read, actively recall information and use flashcards for spaced repetition. Joining a study group can provide new perspectives and help clarify difficult concepts. Always connect what you learn in lectures to your clinical practice, as this reinforces understanding. Developing strong critical thinking skills is essential for patient care. Clinical practice is a cornerstone of nursing education. Actively participate in all clinical rotations, viewing every opportunity as a chance to refine your skills. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek constructive feedback from your instructors. Meticulous documentation is vital for patient safety and legal compliance. Cultivating excellent communication with patients and the healthcare team is paramount. As exams approach, ensure you've covered all syllabus topics comprehensively. Practice writing detailed answers to potential essay questions to improve your speed and clarity. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your studies. Prioritize a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and stress-reducing activities. A healthy mind and body will perform best under pressure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.